Hello, welcome to the J-Code video. The first thing we're going to do is cover how to install a plugin. After you download it from the web page, you'll see the jcode.m3p file. All you need to do is double click on the file and it will install it. Then you open up Mach 3. After Mach 3 is opened, we'll go in and configure the plugin to be turned on. Oh, it is turned on. But to turn it on, we would go into Config Plugins and J-Code. All we do is enable it, press OK, and then you would shut down Mach 3 and reopen it, and it would appear here. So now if we want to use it, we enable our machine, tell it to record our jogs. We're just going to call it part2.tab, save. Now we're ready to start recording. We can say record all jogs, or we can record points. I'm going to record all jogs, and I'll add a comment that this is the start. Press OK, and I'll start out at 300 inches a minute, and you have to bring focus back to Mach 3, and if I press page down I can go to depth, and then I can start moving along, and I can just jog any number of axes up to 3, and if I want to change the feed rate to 30 inches a minute, and I start jogging again, you can see that we'll have a feed rate that's changed in our file. We can also do a rapid move. I wouldn't suggest doing rapid moves with multi-axes, because what you'll find the problem is if the vector doesn't stay constant, it will break the rapids into a bunch of short segments, and you'll end up with a real choppy rapid move. So rapids really should be done with a record point. So I would move to a new position and say record point. And as soon as you're done, you just press OK, and you can see there's the G-code file that we wrote in 3D. And it started out at 300 inches a minute, and after we got to this point, we changed it to 30, and then we swapped over to G0 mode, and then the end of the file. So when you're all done, all you have to do is hit cycle start, and we can see the file run. Hopefully that takes away some of the mystery on how to use the J-Code tool. I expect this will probably be used mostly for facing parts and operations that you need to repeat over and over that you can't really code in CAM, but you can kind of jog around and get what you want. Thank you for watching the video.